Hey there, are you tired of your Orbi Wi-Fi randomly going really bad just when you need it the most? Don't worry. In this video, we're diving into easy and effective solutions on how to fix Orbi Wi-Fi randomly going really bad and ensure your internet experience is consistently top-notch. Before we jump into solutions, let's first understand why your Orbi Wi-Fi might be acting up. Common issues include network interference, outdated firmware, incorrect setup, or even hardware glitches. Identifying the root cause is key to finding the right solution. Step 1. Check your setup. Start by examining your Orbi setup. Ensure that the router and satellite units are strategically placed for optimal signal coverage. Avoid placing them near potential sources of interference like microwaves or cordless phones. Verify that all cables are firmly connected and that your devices are within range of the Wi-Fi signal. Step 2. Update the firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to inconsistent performance. To fix this, access the Orbi app or the web interface by navigating to orbilogin.com. Once logged in, check for any firmware updates under the Advanced or Admin sections. Follow the on-screen prompts to download and install the latest version, thus ensuring stability and enhanced features. Step 3. Optimize network setting. To reduce network congestion, consider adjusting the channel settings on your Orbi. Log into the Orbi dashboard and head to the Advanced Wireless settings. Here, you can manually select a channel that's less crowded, potentially improving your Wi-Fi performance. Additionally, enable beamforming and MIMO for more efficient data handling and better coverage. Step 4. Perform a power cycle. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. A power cycle can resolve many connectivity issues. Unplug your Orbi router and satellite from the power outlet. Wait about 10 seconds, then plug them back in. Allow a few minutes for the devices to reboot completely before checking your connection. Step 5. Implement a wired backhaul. If you're still experiencing issues, consider setting up a wired connection between your Orbi router and satellites. This can drastically improve stability and reduce latency issues by minimizing the reliance on wireless signals for transmitting data between units. Step 6. Reset to factory settings. If all else fails, performing a factory reset might be your best bet. Locate the reset button on the back of your Orbi units. Press and hold it with a paperclip for about 10 seconds. This will restore your Orbi systems to their default settings. After resetting, you'll need to set up your network again, so make sure to have your login details handy. Dealing with an Orbi Wi-Fi network that randomly goes bad can be frustrating, but with these steps, you're well on your way to fixing the issue. Whether it's checking your setup, updating firmware, or optimizing network settings, these solutions are designed to enhance your Wi-Fi experience. Remember, if the problem persists, you might need to reach out to Netgear support for further assistance. By following this guide, you'll ensure a more stable, reliable internet connection for all your browsing, streaming, and working needs. Enjoy seamless connectivity and fewer headaches with your Orbi network.